How to learn English idioms easily and in funnier ways step by step. If you notice English movies or drama, they are always using English idioms all the time. Some of them, they are practical. But most of the time, you'll find yourself puzzled by them. So, naturally, you would want to learn all of them to fit in. If you search Google or other content, they suggest journaling of words all the time. But is it really useful? I have journaled a lot of words. But I hardly remembered them. It's because I didn't use them in my sentences or in conversations. So, I don't remember the words from journaling. Besides, memorizing words from journaling is boring. But using them in sentences is even more boring. As if that boredom never ends. You won't be wanting to learn English, unless you know it's more than meet the eye. Learning English idioms are fun. From what I understood, there are 3 levels in English idioms. In level 1, the idioms are easy to understand with literal meaning. In level 2, you can understand the idioms with a bit contextual understanding. In level 3, you won't have any idea what these idioms mean. Even if you try to force yourself into memorization, you'll never be able to remember them. Here are some examples of level 1 idioms that are easy to understand for anyone. For example, if I say solving this problem is piece of cake, you'll easily understand I am saying it's an easy problem. Suppose I tell you this job will be a weight of your shoulders. You'll immediately feel relieved. When I tell you he has one-track mind, you'll understand this person won't help you in multitasking. I need to say you the meaning that he is only interested in one subject. If I tell, you'll get a wake-up call, you'll know if instantly that you've made a mistake. These are level 1 idioms, which don't need interpretations, not even for a 5-year-old kid. Then there comes level 2 idioms. When I say, your eyes are saying it all. You don't need to memorize it. You already know you are exposing something with all your power. When I say you, keep it under the hat, you know how to keep your vulnerability in a safe place. These level 2 idioms are easy to understand and thoughtful. Anyone will like to use them or read them. You will like to read them, even without sentences. Then comes level 3 idioms. They are the most difficult ones. Idioms like knock your socks off, or yellow-bellied fall into this category. No one will like to memorize them or they can't either. But if you read them with examples, your learning will feel meaningful.